Uri Omuby'Amagara w'ihanga rya Botswana mugweti Eric Kibwetwe Masisi nagira ngo amahanga ga Afrika gaiza kukwatanisiza hamwe ngabasa kurwanisa uburemezi oburi Omuby'Amagara ogu yayihanangiriza ebitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe biri kushagika eby'amagara omahanga ga Afrika okutaho buryo obukwatanisa na za gavumenti kurebekangwa eby'amagara byabasa kongerwamu amani.
In this regard, I joined several African leaders earlier in the year in Paris to launch a planned $1.1 billion project to accelerate vaccine production in Africa.
Inganzi y'ihanga rya Uganda, Right Honorable Robina Nabanja nuwabera ry'umugenyi mukuru aha mukorogu gwa ikamu conference kandogu ashoborera ku Uganda eteireho oburyo butari bumwe na bumwe kurebekangwa by'amagara byaterera negenderwa cyo kurebekangu cyayambaho umuyihangeri kutunguka umwaka gw'2023 gutaka hitsere.
Uganda's commitment to the United Nations agenda is firmly embedded in our national development strategies. Our Vision 2030 aims to transform Uganda from a peasant economy into a modern, prosperous nation. Uganda is dedicated to enhancing service delivery in several key areas. 1. Health.
Muringo ngogume Right Honorable Robina Nabanja yasima ekigombe cha ikamu utariho nabituri kwatanisa nabo Obushagiki ubarukwereza amahanga ga Afrika okutsira minonga Uganda Omuby'Amagara eby'amashanyarazi hamwe n'ebyobwegezi.
We look forward to strengthening partnerships with our European and Middle East counterparts to build a future where healthcare, education, sustainable agriculture and green energy are accessible to all.
Ebyo bikiri aho uri Omuby'Amagara mukuru w'ekitongore cy'ensiyone cy'abyamagara cya World Health Organization Dr. Tedros Adhanom yahamza Abebeembezi b'amahanga ga Afrika okwe kitongore ekirigeita amahanga gona echa United Nations chehireyo okushagika amahanga ga Afrika gona Omuby'Amagara.
So I'm really glad to see Africa CDC grow from strength to strength. We will continue to give both financial and technical support.
Mukuru w'ekigombe echa ikam Kamel Grib nagira ngo amahanga ga Afrika gwakwatanisiza hamwe ngabasa kushyikiriza ebyetengo eby'abantu abarukwebembera okugira amagara marungi.
This means if you want something, you can have it. It doesn't mean you have to have the money to have it. The will, the vision. And this is how we can get better life for everyone.
Commissioner w'ururembo rwa New York omukwatanisa n'amahanga gandi nagira ngo behireyo nk'ihanga eri America ukwatanisa n'amahanga ga Africa okutereza empindahinduka y'obwire.
African leaders are advocating for more climate financing and sustainable development solutions. Addressing the impacts of climate change on the African continent is essential for the future prosperity of Africa and the world.
Mukorogo enganzi y'ihanga eshendekerezibwe Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng Minister w'Omuby'Amagara omuyihanga.
Yes.